Hello. Welcome. Thank you for joining me. My name is Alex, and this is my yoga YouTube channel. I am here with a flow that requires no props, and all levels are welcome to enjoy. So, let's get started in a child's pose. Knees however far apart you want. We're going to walk the hands forward and bring the forehead down. Use a few rounds of breath to bring yourself to the present moment. Soften the muscles of the face. Let go of whatever you were doing before, whatever you have planned for later, and be here now, in this moment, this sensation. We're going to press up to a tabletop. One cat-cow. On an inhale, arch the back. Press the feet down. Feel this first one out. Exhale, round. Neutral. Back to child's pose for a long exhale. Tabletop. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round. Neutral. Tuck the toes. Excuse me. Sit back on your heels. Pull the pinky edges of the toes out. We're going to interlace the fingers. Press the palms away from you. Keep the shoulders down. Feel a stretch in the hands. Now lift the arms above your head. Keep the shoulders down. You might arch the upper back a little bit. Breathe in at the top. And exhale. Release the hands. Sweep the arms down and around. Tabletop. Tap out the feet. Roll out the ankles. My feet and ankles just popped a lot. All right, tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Press back to a child's pose. This time prop up onto the elbows. Touch each shoulder and bring the forehead down. Feel this under the triceps. And release. We're going to stay where we are with the legs. Thread the needle underneath. Right arm underneath the left. Make a fist with the left hand. Forehead down. Stretch across the chest and shoulder. Use the breath to expand the stretch. Switch so that the right ear is down, left hand on top of the right, and we're going to try to press the left elbow straight. Might not happen. Middle upper back twist. And release. Use your left hand to help you to sit up and switch sides. Right arm forward, left arm underneath. Forehead down. And switch so that the left ear is down, middle upper back twist. Release. Right hand helps you up. Let's come back to a tabletop. And stretch the right leg back, keep the toes down. Let's move around through the foot and the calf. And switch sides. Left leg back. Ooh, hi. Tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale. Are these starting to feel different from the first one? Maybe. Exhale. Neutral. Tuck the toes, sit back on the heels again. We're going to eagle arms. Right arm under, left arm over. If this is too much, you can just hold. Give yourself a hug. And we're going to go up and down. Not so much back and forth. Up and down. Stretching through the shoulders. Seeing that range of motion with this wrapping of the arms. And release, reach the arms overhead. And switch sides, left arm under, right arm over. Same thing, up and down. And release, shake it out. And tabletop, let the feet and ankles go. Plank pose. Keep the weight forward slightly, pull in the core, feel like you're floating. Tabletop, keep some of that core engagement as you return to a neutral spine, maintain a neutral spine. Cat-cow, inhale. And exhale. Neutral. Puppy pose. Walk the hands to the top of the mat. Keep the hips over the knees. Forehead down. And release. Sit down. Bring your feet out and around in front of you for a reverse tabletop. Feet hip width, press down and lift up. And sit down, extend the legs out in front of you. The knees can stay soft. We haven't done that much with them yet, the legs. Arms reach and fold over both legs. Oh, yes, I'm keeping my legs soft. Also, the upper body's nice and stretched out. I did that on purpose. Thought it'd be fun to do an upper body focus. And lift up, reverse tabletop, press, and lift. Lower down. Bring the soles of the feet together, knees apart. I see a woodpecker. I see two. I want you to be able to hear that. All right, sit up tall and fold. Over butterfly legs, just FYI. Sit up. Turn to face the long edge of the mat. Left foot in, right foot out. Left arm up and over, side body reach. And lift up. Switch out the legs. And right arm reaches up and over. And sit up. Bring the left foot in. Roll those shoulders back and down. The upper back a little bit. Let's get out of the sun so I can see a little bit. And let's inhale, reach the arms above the head. Exhale, float them down as you twist to the right. And release through center, arms lift. And twist to the left. Let's do that again to each side. Inhale, arms up. Keep that length, twist to the right. Float the arms down. Inhale up. Exhale, twist. Arms down. Release through center for a closing breath. Inhale, reach the arms wide, lift them overhead. Exhale, hands lower down. Close the eyes for a moment. Soften the temples. Clear the mind. Breathe. Keep the eyes closed. Remember to choose gratitude, to choose gratitude. Be present. Before you open the eyes, get ready to reabsorb the light. Gently blink the eyes open. Maybe the world seems to sparkle now. Thank you so much for your presence. Be grateful for your presence. Thank you. I am grateful for your presence. Thank you. Thank you so much. Namaste. Namaste. Let me know if you enjoyed that upper body focus flow. If you'd like to stretch out your legs, I have about 300 and something other classes you can check out. I usually focus on the lower body often, I noticed. And yeah, let's hang out on Instagram. Let's hang out here. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love to know and hear about it. And maybe if you didn't love it, you can message me like privately on Instagram. BlueYoga.fit should be linked below. There are also some little buttons on the screen right now are coming up soon. There's a one that looks like a bunch of stars. That's my other channel that I'm doing for just for me, kind of. It's thunderstorm sounds for sleeping, some meditation videos. They're okay. Whoa, pine cone just fell. And what else? Much for being here. As always, I am so grateful for your presence. It's sunny, nice out. Namaste.